안녕하십니까? And welcome to Tower Bridge English, your bridge to UK language and culture. And now, last Monday, the government told everybody in the UK that if you want to use public transport, so if you want to use buses or the subway or trains, from now on, you have to use a mask at all times on public transport. And I was reading a newspaper article for children which shows you how to make a face mask from a sock. So you can see that from this BBC newspaper article that I looked at, that coronavirus masks to be compulsory on public transport. So that means that people will have to wear masks every time they want to use public transport. So from Monday, they will be mandatory. That also means compulsory. They will be mandatory on all public transport, including taxis and private hire cabs. That's like those famous black cabs or taxis that you see around London. Okay, but it's not just London, it's the whole of the UK where people will have to wear masks. Or I saw another website, but this was for children, and it was showing you how to, actually down here, how to make a mask from a sock. I thought I would try and follow the instructions here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll try and follow the instructions and see if I could also make a face mask from a sock. Now, I have to tell you first of all that I am really, really bad at making things, whatever it is. Really, really bad. So I'm a little bit nervous. This is an experiment. Let's see what happens. I'll also send you a link to this website as well, so that you can try yourself if you want. Okay, so let's try it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now remember, this is a children's website. So these are instructions for children, not adults. So this is aimed at children. So let's see if I can do this. Okay, right. Let's try it. Okay, number 1, fold the sock in half so that the toe end touches the top. Okay, so fold it so toe end touches the top, like this. Okay, toe end, top. Right. Okay, and then use your scissors to cut the toe end off. So is that both? So this is the toe end, so maybe, and the top? Is that both? Yeah, to cut the toe end off, okay. I think it's both, isn't it? Oh, it's tricky with the scissors, isn't it? Yeah, I can't quite cut it off. I think the scissors are a bit blunt. Okay, we've done that. Okay. Whew. Okay, so we've cut that off. Right, number 2, open up the sock and cut along the fold line opposite the heel. So open up the sock, fold line. Okay, here's the heel, so cut along the fold line opposite the heel. Okay. So it's that one. I'm going to have to turn it around because I'm left-handed. Okay. Oh, terrible at this. Okay. And I really am very bad at this. Okay, so I've done that. Okay, and 3, to make the loops for your ears, fold the sock in half again. Okay, fold the sock in half again, done that, and make 2 cuts starting from the folded edge and about 2 centimeters from the ends, cut up. Okay, but don't cut all the way to the edge. Okay, so I think it's here and here they're talking about. Okay, so let's try that. So I think that's, yeah, okay, so that's, okay, 2 centimeters in, 2 centimeters in, okay, and don't cut all the way. Okay, number 4, it says open out the sock completely and trim the square corners into rounded curves. Open it completely. What happened? Okay, I don't know. Okay. And try the side, corners. Now, okay, so what's next? Open up the sock completely. Is that open completely? Okay. Add your filter layer of choice, such as kitchen roll, and then loop the cut holes around your ears. Okay, so hang on, wait a minute, what happened to my cut holes? Oh dear, what a disaster. Okay, my filter of choice, so this is some kitchen roll. Okay, so I think you put the kitchen roll in there, and somehow it's supposed to go around your face. Right, so I completely failed. I mean, this is it. I don't even have the hooks for the ears, and that's the filter. So I guess it will look something like this, but I completely failed it. That was, yeah, it didn't work at all. It just looks like I've got angry with my socks. And there's the filter. Oh well, maybe I can use that for dinner. Thanks for watching. That was really, really difficult for me. That was not easy at all. I'm sure you can do better than me. Have a go yourself. Bye for now.